Hello friends, I'm Michael Links. Welcome you to our video. I'm going to show you how to increase your AdSense earning to be 100% plus. Let's have a look in this report. You can see that the income is increased to 103%. So now I'm going to show you how I made that double monetization. This is just one of many of my tips that I'm going to show you for today. I use Google Analytics. Go to the behavior report, site content, and all pages. Then go to check the bounce rate report. For example, select the highlight performance. In this video now, I pick the landing page which has 92.3%. I'm going to rewrite my content. Firstly, I will show you the current of my upper parts of my blog. And right here how it looks like after I rewrite and add the quit box on it as well. And here is another part of my post. You will see the ending part of the same article before changing anything. Next, in this part, I have just add the answer box in it. You know, this will help the audience to have more reaction on our web page, spending more time, and there are some also links for them to jump to visit. This will help to increase traffic, and of course, so does the AdSense earning. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe our video so you're not missing any future video. Thank you. Bye bye.